Hi, my name is Alfredo Maldonado and I work in the Falcon project. The Falcon project is an EU-funded project in which we try to take advantage of the vast array of language resources that are available on the web. Basically, there are a lot of language resources that are available, such as translation memories, terminology databases that are free, are online, and are available on the web. But the problem with them is that they are kind of dead. They're sitting, it's like a dump of data that is sitting there waiting to be exploited. What we're trying to do instead is to use that data to build an open link data technology that can pull that data actively through APIs and web services so that you can plug in your any tool that you have and exploit that data for you automatically. So this is a video of a demo that we did for translating a website. Here, this is a website here, and this is a CAT tool, basically a tool that allows you to translate this website. And here I'm translating each of the menu items, for example, home, into French. For example, home into accueil, about, à propos de. Here I'm getting a hit from the translation memory. If I click on this flag, I accept it, and it gets automatically populated on the website. Here, there is such a hit from the machine translation engine. I changed the spelling slightly, and it gets automatically captured on the website. Here you can get a hit. We get a hit by a translation from the machine translation engine, and I'm correcting the translation engine, the translation that the machine translation engine gave me to the correct French equivalent. Here again, the translation engine is suggesting this translation, and I'm changing it here, careers to carrière. So basically, this is an integration that we did with several tools. This is the XTM CAT tool, translation and translation memory tool. And this is the EasyLink translation tool. And another tool that is integrated here is the terminology component. The particular terminology database that we're using here is called Eurolorcano, which is one of the EU medical terminology databases. And here I'm doing some searches on the terminology database. Basically, I search for face mask, I get a hit, I get the English face mask and the translation for that term in several languages. So I can go to the French, for example, to get more information. This is also integrated with the main translation tool, and here I'm going to show it. So we are here in the CAT tool again, and I get the website here opening for reference. And you will see that there are some terms that are highlighted in blue, like this one, critical care. Well, that is a term. So so if I click there, I get terminology and I get the translation into French. Thanks for listening, and for more information, you can visit us online at falcon-project.eu. Thank you.